It's better than I thought. It's worse than I thought. I thought it would be easier than this. My brother is taller than Theo. That's what I thought. I thought that we could. I think that I need to leave. We hope that you will be there. We can do that and then leave. Then when? Then I'll come by later. See you then. I think these are what we need. We don't need this. I got this yesterday. These are the best. When will they be here? I think they did. Well, they might. I hope they'll make it. They do. Give them to me. I ate them. It's up to them. It's good to have them. It's the new house. I want the recipe. He's their kid. Their card doesn't work. They're okay. I hope they're on time. I think they're happy. We should leave if they're done. I've been there. Will there be any other kids there? There will. I hope there's enough food. This is the best. I'll give you this now. I hope this works. I think so. Thank you for watching.